solar system's planets are orbited by more than 150 moons, and one of those moons is inhabited by Earth. According to one idea, the Earth collided with another early planet around 4.5 billion years ago, creating the Moon. This collision's debris started to circle Earth and gathered, eventually producing the Moon we see today, with a diameter little under China's breadth. The Moon is the sixth biggest natural satellite in the solar system. It consists of an iron-rich core, a magnesium-oxygen, and silicon-containing crust, and an iron-rich core. The Moon's surface previously included an ocean of magma and was geologically active. Today, however, the surface is entirely covered with dust and stony debris, with